Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. All right, welcome to day 23 of the Granny Square Flower Power, Mayflower Power. I don't know what I'm calling this series. Mayflowers. So this square is by Jessie at Home, and I love this large petal 70's style. I just really like it a lot. So this one really appealed to me. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a closer look. So like I said, this is by Jessie at Home, and it looks like she has a blog, and this is called How to Make a Flower Granny Square Step-by-Step Free Crochet Pattern. And I know we all love this sound of that, right? Love that free pattern. What I really like about this is the overstitching. Is that what it's called? Overstitching? I'm not sure what it's called, but how it goes along the pattern to really give each of those petals some real definition. It looks like it's a very big square, lots of rounds to this square. I like it a lot. I really do. It looks to me like maybe she used a finer weight yarn, but I'm not sure. We can certainly scroll down and see. This is Get Your Hook and get ready to have some fun with that 70's square. So really cute. I would love to see this in like super bright colors, but that's just me. I love me some bright colors. It looks like there is a tutorial for it as well, so that's always nice to see. So you can make it for free. You can have the free pattern, or you can have the free video tutorial. I'm still scrolling down looking for the pattern. Here we go. Here's the pattern. Here's all of the things you need, your supplies, and your abbreviations, and eventually you will get to the actual pattern. So I'm not going to scroll down too much more for it. So yeah, really like this a lot. I hope that that you do too. Let me know in the comments, what colors would you use if you were going to make this square? Would you go really bright? Would you go more muted? Would you go super 70's, gold, orange, and brown? Let me know. I'm very curious to find out. All right, until tomorrow, I hope you're getting some great ideas from this series, and hope you're coming up with some fun projects for May. All right, until tomorrow, have a great night. Bye-bye.